DESLOC B200 Fingerprint Smart Door Lock is designed for homeowners looking to upgrade from a traditional deadbolt to a more convenient keyless entry system. Instead of relying only on physical keys, this smart lock brings multiple ways to access the door, including fingerprint unlocking, app control, touchscreen keypad entry, and other unlock methods for added flexibility. This makes it a practical option for households where different family members may prefer different ways of getting inside. One of the main highlights of the DESLOC B200 is its fingerprint access, which allows users to unlock the door without carrying a key or remembering a code. For everyday situations like coming home with full hands or quickly entering the house, a fingerprint option can make access more convenient. The touchscreen keypad adds another layer of flexibility, allowing entry through codes when fingerprint access is not the preferred method. With 8 unlock methods available, the lock is built around giving users multiple choices instead of depending on a single access method. The app control feature expands the lock's functionality by providing a way to manage access through a connected device. This can be useful for people who want a more modern approach to controlling their front door. Whether managing entry options or using the smart features available through the app, the B200 is designed to fit into a connected home setup. Another useful feature is the auto lock function, which helps reduce the concern of accidentally leaving the door unlocked. This can provide extra convenience for users who prefer their door to secure itself automatically rather than having to remember to lock it every time they leave. The touchscreen keypad gives the lock a clean, modern appearance while keeping operations simple. Combined with the keyless deadbolt design, it offers a balance between traditional door security and newer smart home convenience. The inclusion of USB-C power support also adds a practical charging option, helping make maintenance and power management easier. The DESLOC B200 is best suited for people who want a smart deadbolt with several entry choices rather than a basic keypad lock. It offers useful features for families, rental situations, or anyone interested in reducing dependence on physical keys. As with any smart lock, users should consider their preferred access methods and smart home needs before choosing, but the combination of fingerprint access, app control, auto lock, touchscreen keypad, and multiple unlocking options makes the B200 a versatile choice for modern front door security.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.